Hello welders. Today we're going to learn how to teach a radial weld using the ESAB Cobot. In our app, we're going to press the blue icon in the bottom right corner to create a new part. Once the part has been created, we can name the part. Press next, and then we can select our settings. Once we're in the Teach menu, we can select Radial Weld, and then we're ready to teach. As you can see, the blue light has began flashing, signaling that we're ready to teach some points. Now, one thing to note when teaching circles with the Cobot is that you want the gun cable to be fully wrapped in one direction around the Cobot so it has slack to move around the circumference of the circle. So you would want to start a circle like so. As you can see, my gun cable has been fully wrapped in one direction around the arm so it will have room to move around the circle of the part. Now let's get into teaching.
You're gonna need approximately 5 points in order to teach a full circle with the Cobot. So I'm setting my starting point, and then what I'm doing is I'm basically cutting the circle into quarters. So almost like a north, south, east, and west kind of thing. And as I'm moving around my circle, I'm clicking the blue Teach button and checking my app to make sure my button presses have been registered, which they have. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. And then my 5th point is gonna come back to the beginning of my program. Where I will end, and we can even hold the blue button to switch to air moves and come out and set an air move here so it has room and it's not going to knock into our piece. So let's save this program and see how it turned out.
And there you have it, welders. That's how easy it is to teach a radial weld using the ESAB Cobot. Have a great day, and remember, keep it simple. Cobot. Thank you for watching.